So I'm going to be reacting to each episode of Marvel Zombies as I continue to watch it. I just watched episode 1, and here are some of my takeaways. I mean, right off the bat, I want to say how shocked I was at how much I liked this and how well it was actually put together. I was basing this off of how much I liked What If, and What If Season 2 was such a letdown that I thought this was also going to be a massive letdown, and it's honestly pretty solid. Just so you know, there will be some spoilers in these reviews, so just be aware of that. The one thing that I do like that they are doing is they are allowing the zombified superheroes to essentially keep all of their abilities along with the intelligence of how to use them properly. Like in episode 1, we saw Hawkeye using trick arrows as a zombified, version of himself, which is really cool that they're able to retain the intellect and the experience on how to properly use their abilities. In this first episode, we got to see a Captain Marvel versus Icarus fight, which was honestly a pretty cool thing to see. Obviously, they didn't super duper explore it, but it is stated by Blade in the show that they have been battling for a long time and neither has been able to get a definitive edge over the other, which is really cool to show that you essentially have these two equal powerhouses almost forever going at it. Speaking of Blade, seeing him in this show, especially him being an avatar of Khonshu, is so freaking cool. He is such a cool character so far, even though I'm one episode in. And if anything, I am a little upset that our first experience of MCU Blade comes in an animated format. But I will say it only continues to further my excitement for the live action format when he eventually does come to the big screen. One bad thing that I am experiencing about the show so far, and I think it's going to be a consistent thing, especially when you have just Marvel TV shows of this animation format, the humor's bad. Like, the humor is honestly genuinely bad, but there's not so much bad humor that it overrides the quality of the show. It's still pretty stellar so far. So honestly, first episode out of 10, and this might just be because I was expecting it to be bad and it's actually pretty good. I give first episode a 9 out of 10. That was solid.